I'm sure you've met some very interesting people on the app. Are you in a lot of groups?
Yes, I have friends from, I don't want to count countries, but Mexico, USA, Canada, and I admire Canada, and that's why I'm looking for people from there. I like the country. I like Toronto. Have you been there?
I've been to Toronto.
Did you like it?
I went to Toronto, Canada it was January, February
Mhm.
2019. It was so cold. However, the people were nice and downtown Toronto is a very beautiful place.
I really want to visit it. Where do you live exactly? I mean, the city.
I live on the East Coast in a small state called Delaware. Delaware is next to New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland.
I've heard about it. I don't know from where, but TV shows or something like that. Yeah, and thank you that you invited me. I will attend your live streams. If I can, I will make HelloTalk send me notifications. If I can do hear it, I think you will tell me. And yeah, I will enter HelloTalk and think, oh my God, where is my favorite live streamer?
I appreciate that. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Islam.
I won't take your time anymore. So have a good day, and I'm sure that we will talk again.
Absolutely, Islam.
Yeah,
Thank you so
keep in
much.